Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to be talking about one way that stress can affect your oral health. So when you're stressed out, a lot of times you'll actually start grinding and clenching your teeth. Sometimes you'll do it during the day when you're awake, and sometimes you'll do it at night when you're asleep. What happens is that constant grinding and clenching of your jaw, it can actually beat up those teeth. It can cause broken teeth, broken fillings, and you can actually get jaw joint pain. Sometimes you'll get clicking, popping in your jaw joint. And if you're doing it at night, sometimes you'll even wake up in the morning, you'll notice your jaw joint is actually sore. So this isn't good for the teeth, and it's not good for the gums either, because it can actually loosen up the teeth, and it's actually been shown to contribute somewhat to recession as well. So if you think you have stress, if you think you have any loosening of teeth or breaking of teeth, then it's a good idea to get in with your dentist and get checked out. So thank you very much.